Hi everybody, Paul here. A lot of different things can cause spark plug failure, but the number one cause is due to improper torquing when the spark plug is installed. What are the consequences of an under-torqued spark plug that's too loose? Number 1, less than full contact of the spark plug to the cylinder head. Number 2, reduced heat transfer or exhaust gas blow-by of the spark plug. Number 3, elevated temperatures of the combustion chamber. Number 4, premature ignition of the air-fuel mixture. Number 5, ground electrode damage to the spark plug from excessive vibration. Number 6, terminal nut damage to the spark plug from excessive vibration. And number 7, damage to the engine. What are the consequences of an over-torqued spark plug that's too tight? Number 1, thread damage to the spark plug. Number 2, metal shell damage to the spark plug. Number 3, insulator damage to the spark plug. Number 4, seal damage to the spark plug. Number 5, reduced heat transfer or exhaust gas blow-by of the spark plug due to stress cracks. And number 6, damage to the engine. It's critical to follow the torque specifications on the manufacturer's packaging of the spark plugs. Torque specifications vary by gasket or seat type, thread diameter, and the type of material the cylinder head is made from. If you're using a torque wrench, then follow the guide for the proper amount of torque. If you're using a hand wrench, then follow the guide for how much more to turn it after it's hand tight. Always start by installing a spark plug directly with your hand, slowly and carefully while keeping it lined up straight to avoid any cross-threading. If it's not possible to install a spark plug directly with your hand due to the engine design, then install it with a socket that has a rubber boot on the inside which will grip the spark plug. This will maximize control while at the same time preventing the spark plug from falling out and being damaged. Turn your hand slowly and carefully on the extension while keeping it lined up straight to avoid any cross-threading. Once the spark plug stops turning using your hand, then perform the final tightening with either a torque wrench or a hand wrench. In addition to using the correct torque, be sure to clean any lubricant or carbon buildup around the spark plug hole. Torquing against debris, lubricant, or any other buildup will prevent the spark plug from making full contact with the cylinder head. Also refer to the manufacturer's recommendations on the use of anti-seize lubricant on the spark plug threads. And last, before removing a spark plug, be sure the engine is cool to the touch to avoid damaging the cylinder head threads. Also remove any debris on or around the spark plug. Always remove the spark plug gently and slowly with hand tools only. Do not use high-impact air tools. It's also a good idea to apply penetrating oil around the spark plug threads and let it soak for at least 5 minutes or longer before removal. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.